Namaskar, welcome to the 31st episode of Sanskriti Kolkata. Today's episode will be solely on tie and dye and bandhej. So bandhej, as you all know, is a long process of where you have to dye and you have to first tie and then dye the cloth to give it that effect. But there are many various forms of tie and dye. So I'll be showing a number of varieties in this episode, as many as possible, because within 20 products, so not possible to show many, but I'll start with a tussar tie and dye. Leher tie and dye, a very smart aqua combination, no border. It's a very smart sari. This is basically a very smart sari where you just have to, it gives a very, in fact I myself has the same sari and it has been uploaded in Facebook page also. The link is also going. So all those who want to see more varieties or the picture, so you can just click on the link of Insta page and also the Facebook page of Sanskriti Kolkata. This is just see the beautiful tie and dye concept in pure tussar. This is 8,500 rupees with tassels. Basically it's just hand tie and dye in pure tussar, 8,500 rupees with light sky color blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, but I have worn it with a kachi blouse also. You can also mix and match with various kind of blouses to give it a different look. Product number 2, episode 31, product number 2. This is Matka Banarasi with Shibori body. A very new concept, amalgamation of two states, Banaras, Matka and tie and dye from Rajasthan. So see, it has lovely woven buttas all over, and this is tie and dyed shibori concept with pallu, orange and red combination. It's tomato red and saffron color combination, all over same weave, very soft, lightweight and a very smart look, because Matka Banarasi I've been showing and it has, this is the first time I'm showing it in dye concept. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is also vermilion color. Lovely shade, and price is, in case I miss out the price, please check out the description part where you will be able to see the details. This is 3,500 rupees, product number 2. Similar type but in a different color. খুব সুন্দর টাই অ্যান্ড ডাই করা হয়েছে শিবরি কনসেপ্টে, মটকা বেনারসি in pink and purple combination. This is pink and purple with woven border. Just see the border, all the borders will be same except the color combination will be different. A very lightweight, smart concept sari, traditional at the same time. It gives a very rich, unique look with tassels. This is the pallu part in purple, 3,500 rupees only, soft, lightweight and all over weaving. The lower border, short big, the upper part will be shorter border and the lower border will be little broader. And here goes the blouse piece in purple with border. If you are liking the products, again please take the screenshot and you have to WhatsApp. Calling will not be accepted, phone booking will not be accepted, only you have to send the screenshot and then you have to book the product. This is in royal blue and sky blue, two color tie and dye concept, a very bright one, peacock blue, it's a royal peacock blue and sky blue, two color. Just see the full concept, tie and dye again, here all over Banarasi Zari Butta in Matka Banarasi from Banaras, but tie and dye has been done in Rajasthan. This is the blouse piece, again 3,500 rupees. Same concept, but just the color is different. Now comes tussar embroidery Kashmiri with tie and dye. Now you will say, what is there in this? See, this has been dyed. It has been tied. The natural color of the tussar is here, and from here it has been dyed. So you see there's a grey effect, and this is done in Kashmiri stitch throughout the sari, all over Kashmiri stitch. See, there's another sleek border attached. Just daman will have the embroidery, the border upper part will be plain with a very smart sleek upper border also. Price 9,900 rupees, 31 episode, product number 5. Just see the work. Traditional Kashmiri embroidery done in machine. This is the whole sari. Very smart look after draping. When you drape this sari, you will able to know it's a very smart one. This is the black blouse piece and in pure Desi tussar. 9,900 rupees. Now this is a real beauty. Silk tissue. This is silk tissue with bandhej pallu. Just see the pallu. Pure Georgette Banarasi tie and dye bandhej with Banarasi weave. Georgette Banarasi with bandhej in the pallu. The border will be in navy blue, midnight blue, and the whole sari is in silk tissue, pure silk tissue, absolutely very lightweight. It's sheer gold, fully gold sari, and I would like to show you how I have done the attachment. This is the back side. Thus, this border has not been attached on top of it. This border has been, the sari has been cut out and then the border has been attached to give it a very lightweight look, and this is our speciality. Our Katpit concepts are really unique. This is the pallu and then pure crepe bandhej blouse piece. This is the tie and dye bandhej blouse piece along with the tissue Banarasi tie and dye. Product number 6, price is 16,800 rupees. The whole sari will have this lovely Georgette Banarasi border. So you can understand, one Georgette Banarasi I have cut it off and I have attached this tissue instead of the whole fabric, and I have just given the blouse. This is in Kora, silk Kora, again in deep turquoise blue with red border, red Banarasi border. Again, Koras are sheer. These are pure translucent sheath of silk Kora. This is pure Kora with bandhej. This is the tassel and with bandhej blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in red bandhej. Totally tie and dye, product number 7, very unique piece, 16,800 rupees. This is Georgette Banarasi. The border will also be in Georgette Banarasi, but the body will be in pure silk Kora. The whole sari will be like this with bandhej red blouse piece. This is Kora with chicken border. Just see the embroidery border. The border is threadwork border. Very designer look sari because this is bandhej and this is the threadwork border in Doria. This is the chicken pallu. Price 8,500 rupees. Olive green with red border. This is the back side of the embroidery. The whole sari will be like this. Very lightweight Kora with throughout the sari will be olive green with chicken and red blouse piece in satin silk. no border or anything. It's a plain sari, plain blouse piece, because I've given the work throughout the border and the pallu. So this, you can make a sleeveless blouse also, it will look very nice. Similar type in midnight blue and red combination. Again another lightweight kora with bandhej and chicken work in the border pallu, 8,500 rupees, 8500 with red piping. Again the back side. So see the kora with chicken with bandhej. This is the whole sari. And again a bright red blouse piece. Very smart look and very lightweight and unique concept. This is also another kora. This is in red and olive piping. This design will be different. Each design is actually different from each other. This will go in zigzag form with again Doria embroidery. Just see the pallu, 8,500, all same range except the color will differ. This is the piping. Very smart look, fully in red, deep red and with olive BP. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my sari. This is Dola silk. Now you will say, where is the tie and dye? Correct, there is no tie and dye here, but the weave is bandhej motif weave. The shape is bandhej shape weaving in the pallu and also in the body. It will have very tiny all over zari weave, which is in the shape of tie and dye bandhej, you know. And even the border is in Banarasi, and just see the pallu. The pallu part will also have the weaving in the shape of bandhej. The whole sari is in bright yellow, ideal for any good occasion. মাঙ্গলিক কোনো অনুষ্ঠানের জন্য হলুদ আর লাল খুবই ভালো লাগবে। আমি যে গলার টেম্পল জুয়েলারিটা পরে আছি চেরওয়াই ওয়ার্কের ওপর, দেখুন পুরোটা একদম খুব সূক্ষ্ম নিখুঁত মিনা প্রিমিয়াম জুয়েলারি। এটার সাথে আপনি কানেরও পেয়ে যাবেন, আমি কানেরটা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। এটা হচ্ছে কানের পুরোটা পাচ্ছেন, মানে এটার সাথে কানেরটা পেয়ে যাবেন। দেখুন আমি কানেরটা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। এটা কানের, গলার, কানের এবং তার সাথে আপনারা কিন্তু টিকলিও পেয়ে যাচ্ছেন। আইডিয়াল ফর এনি ফর্মাল ওকেশন, খুব ভালো একদম টিকলি কানের গলার সেট। একদম দেখুন কতটা সূক্ষ্ম মানে কাজটা হয়েছে একদম, আর গলারটাও ভীষণ সুন্দর ভরাটি। পুরো এটার মধ্যে না ট্যাসেল দেওয়া আছে, যেটা আপনারা অ্যাডজাস্ট করতে পারেন। পুরো সেটটার দাম 7,000 রুপিস। ব্রেসলেটটা দেখুন কুন্দনের সাথে রাইস পার্ল দিয়ে সেটটা আছে। ব্রেসলেটটা কিন্তু অ্যাডজাস্ট করা যাবে, কারণ এখানে একটা স্ক্রু সিস্টেম আছে। সো ইউ ক্যান ওপেন। এটা খুব বেশি বড় না, কিন্তু এটা যেহেতু ওপেন করা যায় ব্রডার রিস্টেও হয়ে যাবে। দেখুন এখানে কিন্তু কুন্দন সেটিং করা আছে, এখানেও কুন্দন সেটিং করা আছে। সো ওয়ান বালা ইজ মোর দ্যান এনাফ, ইউ ডোন্ট নিড টু ওয়্যার এনি মোর ব্যাঙ্গলস। সো দিস ইজ 2,950 rupees, and with my sari you will get this kind of woven blouse piece in red with Banarasi woven border. This is the border, পুরোটা উইভিং এ আসছে রেডের ওপর, ইয়েলো অ্যান্ড সিলভার হোয়াইটের ওপর পুরোটা উইভিং করা আছে। এটা আসছে বর্ডারটা। প্রাইস হচ্ছে 8,500 রুপিস শাড়িটার প্রাইস। আমি এটার আরো ভালো ভালো কালার দেখাবো। 8,500 রুপিস woven bandhej in coffee color. Somehow this very pretty shade in dark coffee chocolate color, dark chocolate, and here goes the Banarasi woven border, woven pallu, 8500 Dola silk. This is Dola silk. Throughout weaving here throughout and blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. 8,500 rupees. Next is a very unique concept which has been done first time. If you like it, I'll do more, but it has taken a lot of experiment and time also. See, this is pure hand kalamkari. This is pen kalamkari with tie and dye body. This doesn't have any border. I've kept the whole sari in tie and dye concept. It will go in Leheriya style, pure Desi Tussar. The pallu will be in matte colors, earthy colors, because the body part is very bright. So I've kept the pallu part a bit matte, because pen kalamkari will not be very bright and very loud color. So this is the classiness of the sari, and again the blouse piece will also be in kalamkari. So pen kalamkari blouse, pen kalamkari pallu and Leheriya tie and dye body. How do you like this? So I personally somehow felt this was something different, and this is in pure tussar, and the price I'll tell you. The whole sari will be like this. Just see the tie and dye, bright magenta color, and the price is let's see, 9,950 rupees. 9950. I've just done two colors in this. Number 13 was in magenta. Number 12 was in magenta. This is number 13, 9,950 rupees. This is in maroon, dark red. Pure tussar, fully tie and dye with kalamkari, traditional kalamkari pallu, very big pallu. It will be fully big pallu and kalamkari blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The whole sari will be like this, a very different concept. It's actually a neighbor's envy, owner's pride, you can say, because it's a very unique sari. And only one piece. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe if you like my products. This is in pure Georgette, Motra, pure Georgette with gota work. Bandhej is incomplete with gotas. So this is a lovely gota patti work with pearls. Just see the intricacy of the embroidery. Fully gota patti work. The back side will have a fall attached. Just see the work. I don't like too loud gotas, so it's a bit muted, but at the same time very bright. The color is ink blue, very bright color, ink blue with all over gota buta. This is the pallu. Actually, it will go running. The work will go fully running. Price 12,500 rupees with all over buta. This is the color. And very bright, lightweight, pure Georgette and crepe blouse piece. And the blouse will also have the embroidery in gota. So with this, you can try out this kind of jewelries also. Very neat finish. I'll place it against this so that you can understand. And the price is 3200 with earring. 3200 with matching earring. This is the earring. These are all temple jewelry. This is the earring with Meena work. Very pretty and lightweight, gorgeous look, ideal for wedding collection also. You can wear it in weddings also. Product number 15, 12,900, yet another color in Bandhej Motra. Parrot green with Gotapati work. This work is again different from the other. This also has pearl work but little broader. The back will again have the fall attached. This is the whole work, slightly broader than the previous one. Very smart look figure correction sari. All over buta. Product number 15, 12,900 rupees. The whole sari will be like this. Pure Georgette. With again crepe blouse with border. This is the crepe blouse with border. These are must in every wardrobe. Very rich look. Now this is a orange color. Ideal for anniversaries, brides. You see the color. Again with pearl work. It has a lovely edging also. 12,500 rupees. Fall attached at the back side. This is the whole sari. Orange color. The whole sari will be like this with a contrast pure raw silk Rani color blouse piece. Because this has been, I've kept brides in mind, so I've given a contrast Rani color hot pink blouse with this orange color. Now the one that I'm wearing, I'll show you more colors in that. This is midnight blue with red. 8,500 rupees in modal silk. Bandhej weaving, not tie and dye. This is bandhej weaving. And this has been cut out from this part and then attached. Cut out and then attached. This is actually a woven sari. But this buttas will be in the shape of bandhni. This is the pallu. And it will, throughout it is woven. Fully woven with red blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Another bright color. All the colors are very pretty, very unique color. This is a light olive green. It's kind of, leaf green, a very light leaf green color with red. This is the pallu. 8,500 rupees. 8,500. The pallu part. The whole sari will be like this. To get more collection, you have to visit our store. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. Physical stores we have 2 branches. One is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near Baliganj railway station. The other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Cash on delivery possible in Kolkata with an extra charge. And outside Kolkata and also internationally, we courier. We ship internationally and we can do courier in within other states in India. This is also a lovely shade, see, in ivory and red. Ivory and red. So since all products are in this episode, all products are one piece, so I would request you to kindly book it in so that we ship you the exact product we have, and first come first serve basis. The WhatsApp number is already going in the screen, so you have to take the screenshot where the number is there and then WhatsApp me in the 2 numbers provided. This is 8,500 rupees, red and off-white combination, red and butter color actually. Throughout the sari, ideal for the mothers, mayer biyete marao porte parbe, খুবই সুন্দর শাড়ি, traditional combination with blouse piece. এগুলো সমস্ত ডোলা সিল্কের ওপর, রাজস্থানী ডোলা সিল্কের ওপর এগুলো করা হয়েছে। তার মধ্যে ডিজাইনিং করে কেটে জুড়ে এগুলো সব ডিজাইন করা হয়েছে, আঁচলটা জুড়ে এভাবে করা হয়েছে। এটা একটা ডার্ক বটল গ্রিনের সাথে রেড কম্বিনেশন, প্রত্যেকটা কালারই ইউনিক। 8500 রুপিস, বটল গ্রিন অ্যান্ড রেড কম্বিনেশন, এরকম আসছে পুরো শাড়িটা। এটাও 8500 রুপিস উইথ अगेन সবকটারই সেম রেড ব্লাউজ, একদম এরকম ভাবে ব্লাউজ পিসটা আসবে। যাদের যাদের প্রোডাক্ট পছন্দ হলো কাইন্ডলি কমেন্ট করবেন, লাইক শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে পারেন যাতে আপনারা রেগুলার নোটিফিকেশনস পান, কারণ প্রত্যেকটা এপিসোড কিন্তু উইল বি ডিফারেন্ট ফ্রম ইচ আদার। সো কিপ ওয়াচিং অ্যান্ড স্টে ওয়েল অ্যান্ড হেলদি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।